I'd like to end with Winston Churchill saying, we should not waste a good crisis.
100 webinars. We just can't stop.
Works love made visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning,
Team engagement, and
our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work.
Looking at this as an opportunity for all of us. How will you become better, wiser, faster, more effective, more efficient, even kinder, or more compassionate when this crisis is over?
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.